Hello everybody, and welcome to the opening of the Rainforest over here at Chessington More Adventures. And today you are joined by the one and only Tom Derrick as we explore this brand new land for 2020. And within this land we've got the jungle rangers, the treetop hoppers, as well as the river rafts. And so far when entering it, it looks amazing. But today I'm also joined with Callum Duplessis and Anne Derrick. And just behind me, you're behind Anne now, you see the queue times don't look that bad. So let's now get into the area. And so far when entering, you can tell how amazing it's actually become, because this whole area was taken up by the old Toad's Crazy Cars. And now you can tell the difference of the land and how much space they've managed to do with it. Of course, they moved around the treetop hoppers to this side, and it's all worked really well so far. I'm really impressed with it. And Callum, first reactions into it. Of course, it's not the most adult area, but what do you think of it?
It's not the biggest area, but they've done a good job of fitting it in. Yeah. It looks quite nice actually.
And what's our first attraction going to be?
River Rafts.
Exactly, only 25 minutes. One of the biggest log flumes in the world. But here we are going like over towards the river raft. And big drop, guys. Wow. Really careful with this ride, otherwise we may get a bit of a splash. But here we go now onto river rafts, our first attraction of the day. And I think the entrance is around this side. But actually, another thing I'm going to mention is there's two entrances to this area. There's one up there and one down here, which is really useful towards the park itself. But here we go, let's go onto the river raft. Probably only have one car each in this attraction. So let's go onto it. Here we now go on to our first attraction over here at the new land, which is river rafts. And actually, this has to be the best boat ever. If I show some clips of it, there's like these really cool crocodile models. And the log flume itself, we literally just started the station back there. So the operation's good, even though it hasn't the longest queue waiting all day. And here we go though, it looks pretty cool right here, and you can see the lift hill over there for a big drop. But first time reaction's great for young kids. I honestly believe if you're too small to tug of rock, this is a great addition. You can actually see all the animals, and believe it or not, I actually think those life vests are actually real. So if there's actually an emergency, someone falls into this like little bit of shallow water here, then they might actually use them. But yeah, here's the elephant, quite good model actually of that. And go around. I feel so young on it. Like there's 5 of us and we asked, is there enough room for us to go on? And we were like, no, you have to do one each. But yeah, wow. This is quite impressive, isn't it? And I still can't believe how much of a waste of space that Toad's Crazy Cars was. It's new rock flume in here, which is actually from CR Birmingham, but in a sec we'll come next to the drop. Woohoo! And yeah, you know what there. And hopefully you can see Adam or Callum down. I don't know if he's going to go next on the ride. I think it's going to be Adam. I think Adam's going to be the next person on them. But I hope we're not going to get too run the drop. So I'm going to film going down there for you. And here we go. Oh, yeah. You can see the cars in there, so cool. Well, yeah, let's go up the drop here. No, lift you actually. And then Adam, down there. Enjoy the ride, Adam. Here we go up to my bit, and I think Callum's been born this car in a second. Was it Callum or someone else? Don't get involved in it. Let's go. And I was joking about being quite small, but it's reasonably high. There's Callum! Callum! Woo! And here we go, got it on the drop. Whoa, that was a lot worse than I thought.
Canoe, you can like, you got to be careful where you sit.
I have never been so surprised in a ride than that one there. Not only because there's great scenery and of course a great car, but actually because you get drenched now. Look at Callum, like Callum gets the vlogs on. You literally attempt to react with bonkers. No wonder there's only one per car, because that is crazy how wet you got on that. Honestly. And it's only 25 minutes to you. It's not exactly 25 minutes, but still, that is crazy how wet you got on that ride. As we go continue around, my dad can get off the ride now. I just gotta say, if you did enjoy that, make sure you like this ride, because it's quite a hassle actually to get up here. It takes us like a good hours and a bit to go up to this park today, and we're only gonna be here for like 40 minutes. But just to get everything on for you guys, and hopefully have one of the only videos on before the park closes, it's really worth being able to get down here and be able to film it. However, Adam, what did you think of that?
Oh yeah, we just finished river rafts. I really enjoyed it. I just love all the theming around here. And I was just saying to Callum the other minute that like they made all this area. They passed all down this area, and before all it was one single attraction that was Toad's Crazy Cars, and now they've added in a miniature log flume that came from Sea Life Weymouth, and they added in, and they turned around the treetop hoppers, and they've got a nice new sign.
That's what's going to go next. We're going to head on to treetop hoppers. Enjoy, guys. Come on, Callum. You're going to go on it.
Okay.
Hey, enjoy. What? Now, Callum, I was going to ask you if you're but just your reaction of how fun you looked kind of described it. However, we're now going to be heading over towards the Jungle Rangers, which is our final attraction over here at the land. Callum, don't go yet, we've still got one more. I know. And actually over here, I'm going to say how amazing disguised these speakers are. Like, where are they, Callum? Like, where? Right, I think I'll sneak peek down there somewhere. But there, here we now go on to Jungle Rangers. And it's now multiple things. You've got Toad's cars and now it's all changed around. But this whole building here is still got it, but they somehow managed to so cleverly disguise the queue line. Like, by putting this here, well, actually the old entrance there. But yeah, here we are, get on towards it. Callum, are you excited? Because actually, it wasn't you, I think I definitely did on the closing day of this ride. And now we're over here on the opening day of a new attraction. Because this is Jungle Rangers, a new theme Toady Crazy Car ride. All aboard, and actually, here it goes, all my audio.
You're off on an
adventure. Wow. And actually, on here, I took over the soundtrack, so I want to talk about rides. I never remember, these are actually new ride vehicles, and I thought, okay, let's go sit in the front, but I didn't get in the front, and it's a bit small, like, I don't know like you, but it's something like camera cases, that's the thing, so like, it's tiny, like my foot's there, like, just a step up towards it, so obviously there's no way anyone's going to sit in the front unless you're really small. But here we go, there's actually some live animals in here, and no, some parrot isn't live, but here we go, the giant guinea pigs, and then they go off. But yeah, I love the things of it. I actually also got giant birds as well. Oh, push it, yeah, hey! I don't know why I think asking for the POV for us on the attraction, but Adam's definitely not going to go in the front of this ride. I can guarantee you right now, he's not going to go in the front. No one can fit in the front of that. But yeah. Oh yeah, it's a real life jaguar. Oh my god, like.
So as not to disturb that beautiful panther.
Panther? Oh, no jaguar, panther. You don't feel animals, guys. I'm so good at them. I've really set a loud go. But anyway, let's go on up the car again. But this is like awesome, I'm loving this. I don't Callum thinks I'm too, but I think this is really good fun. And I know it's actually not all about conserving it, but maybe it could have made more animals in the area there in the middle. But there's an animal in his truck! Whoa. I'm happy to get Callum. I know you're enjoying it, I know. But this is awesome, I love it. And the scenery is good. I was considering entering this ride, whether I prefer it than the other rides, but actually I think I do prefer this new theme. I just love the sort of like kids aspect towards it, and actually it's really fun. So yeah, let's keep going around the attraction. And I used to also believe that the other rides were too long, obviously, but now I don't feel like this is a whole lot shorter, and you've got one new attraction as well, to this area for it. But let's go as we continue around.
The snake, you see, is actually very friendly.
Is it?
Won't harm you.
Where's the snake? Where's the snake? It's kind of escaped, but I'm not getting some more water in there really, personally. I'm not really to judge or anything, but I think it's also another animal that's going to be in the area shortly. So stay tuned to this video, hopefully in 6 months' time we find out. But yeah, let's continue around and have an awesome view of the log flume there, just going up the lift hill. But yeah, what's at the end? What's going to be the ending of this attraction? And me and Callum, we were first to find out. And actually, as we are probably going to be the first video on the channel of this, you'll be first to find out too. Push that button!
I hear thunder. Let's take shelter in our cars.
Oh no!
Cheeky monkeys that have raided our camp.
Where's the monkeys? I can't see any monkeys. I think there's two voices of this attraction personally. Oh, there you go. There go monkeys. My words monkeys, they meant monkeys. Yeah. There's any more, there you go. It looks like now we just came to the end of our attraction over here on the Jungle Rangers. Well, there you go. That was it, and we'll see you as we get out there and end this video of the opening day. Now, as I leave the car on Jungle Rangers, we have to go and end this video over here from the opening of the Treetop Hoppers, the River Rafts, and the Jungle Rangers over here at the new Rainforest land over at Chessington Adventures. And overall, I've got like a massive thumbs up to Chessington because actually they did do a lot. Of course, not only because of their awesome disguise speakers, I don't know, they're awesome, but also because they had to turn that whole ride around, like, God, turning the whole tree around, like, wow. And also because they got the new ride over here. So just how they managed to make the space look so good. It doesn't feel like you're cramped in here as well. I don't feel like you're really tiny, but actually, I don't know how they managed to do it. They did a really good job of like what used to be here apart from the ride. So, I think like the whole space here used to be empty. I don't know. That's what's so clever. And actually, these artworks, everything on the walls are really, really great. And I'm going to ask you about what they thought of it as we now leave the show. So what did you think of it?
It was actually quite good. I know it's aimed at children, and obviously we're not the target audience for it. But honestly, it's actually very, very fun.
And yeah, Adam, I'm going to go to you now. And what did you think of it? Adam, what did you think of it?
Yeah, I really, really enjoyed this, what's it called again, Rainforest area. I've enjoyed the Treetop Hoppers, I've enjoyed the Jungle Rangers, and also I've enjoyed, what's it called, River Rafts. I've enjoyed that as well.
Yeah.
And overall today, I just love it really. And basically, my favourite attraction on these, if you're going to do one of them, do River Rafts in my opinion. I love the new edition.
Yeah, and actually we're not going to leave our this exit as we enter that one. We're going to leave out here and we're going to get a few photos and then we're going to say goodbye. And actually, yeah, it's been a great vlog today. I've loved it to bits and I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did enjoy it, like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys later on because my name is Tom Derrick from Theme Park Coasting, and goodbye from the Rainforest.